Hi, it's Cheryl. Welcome to Homer Studio. I'm sitting on my porch today because my summer stuff is still out. I'm way behind. Fall is my favorite season, and I am going to decorate my front porch. So come along with me. Okay, that's it for my front porch. I might add a few things here and there. I haven't unpacked all my boxes yet, believe it or not. We're mid-October. Well, probably the second week in October. That's usually pretty late for me because fall is my very, very favorite season. But if you want to know how to make this piece, the wreath on my front door, or the candle holder here, they're in my previous videos. They're thrift flip videos and Dollar Tree videos. I can try to link them here for you. And also I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I couldn't be here without you. And I love all of you, all your kind comments, remarks, shares, and likes. That all helps my channel grow. And welcome, a big welcome if you're not a subscriber. And if you're just popping by, consider subscribing. So if you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, every time I post a new video, it will notify you. So I would really appreciate that, and then you won't miss out on anything. I do thrift flips, and I do Dollar Tree budget-friendly decor. I love to go shopping. I love to do interior design, and I have a lot of really good ideas coming up. This is probably my last fall video, but I will be heading on into Christmas, which I've already been doing Christmas stuff, but I like to keep fall as long as I can. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this part, and let's go in and do some decor in my family room. Okay, so those candlesticks that I just showed you that were on my table in the family room, I'm going to redo those. I don't think that the pumpkins were the right color. They were last year. This year I changed my colors. I added, as you could see, a lot more orangey, red colors and greens. So I'm just removing these because I never glued them onto those candlesticks. And those candlesticks are actually thrifted. I got them about 3 years ago. I don't even remember where I got them or how much I paid, but they were virtually like really cheap, like $1 a piece or something. I do remember that. So I'm just taking these pumpkins here and I'm just going to darken them up a little bit. I have this antique wax and I'm just going to draw some lines right down the all of the lines that are on the pumpkin. And these are the orange pumpkins that you get from the Dollar Tree. So I literally painted them 2 or 3 coats with white chalk paint. I cut a hole in the middle of them, and that's where I stick my candle. Now, I made these at least 3 years ago. I do have a video, but it's 3 years old of me making these. And so now I'm just going to wipe off the excess here and just darken it up enough. And then now I'm just going to and do it with the other one too, obviously, and then I'm going to add the leaves. Sorry, I have a cold. I filmed this actually 2 weeks ago and I never finished it because I came down with a heavy-duty cold, which I get almost every single year at this time. So yep, I had to go to the doctor and I'm on all kinds of good medicine, but I'm feeling much, much better. And I'm glad I finally was able to finish this today. And my house is completely done now for fall. Go figure, it's the 19th of October. It's done. Like I said, this is my favorite season. And just things happen and, but I was just going to do this because I love to do this. And I love design. I love decorating my house. And if you think, you like the fall design, wait till you see my house for Christmas. I am going to decorate almost every single room. Yes, the bathroom too. And I am going to take you along with me and show you all of that good stuff because I love doing it. It's almost like Christmas, or not Christmas, it's like Santa's workshop in my house. Every single room gets hit. So now back to this. I am just adding on some berries. I have these picks. They're all from the Dollar Tree here. And there are a couple little squashes, and I put those on. Like I said, I just want to darken this up and make it go with the room more. Last year was more neutral, or the last couple years. I really like how these turned out. Now the sign on my front porch, I wanted to show you this too before we get into the final reveal of the family room. This is from the Dollar Tree Plus. It was $5. And it just says Happy Harvest on it, and it has some pumpkins in the bottom. It's a really, really long, and I'm sorry this is a little out of screen because it's so long. And basically, I have this ribbon from Kirkland's Costco, and I just made an awareness bow with that ribbon, and then I have that ribbon also, and that's from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you recognize it. And I just made another awareness bow, and then I'm just going to tie the two of those together with a pipe cleaner. And then after that, I just dovetailed all 4 of those ends there. And I'm going to go ahead and just glue it onto the top, hiding that little window thing on the top. I don't know what that is. It looks like a house barn window. I don't know. I didn't like it. So I just put that on there, and then I had an extra pumpkin from the Dollar Tree that was a perfect color, and I glued it in the middle there. And then I'm taking these tails, and I'm just going to glue them on the side so you can still see the happy word. And then I'm taking this extra ribbon. I'm so sorry it's out of screen. I am just cutting leaves with the extra ribbon that I cut off the ends. So there's 4 leaves. There's 2 of each ribbon color. And I just glued them. You can kind of see at the top there. I just glued them on the top of the pumpkin. And then I have these Dollar Tree leaves. This one I must have pulled off something. It has like a little bit of
oh, what do you call it? The raffia on the end there. And I'm just clipping that, making it a little bit thinner. And now I'm just going to add a bunch of leaves. And like I said, this is all Dollar Tree stuff. I'm just kind of dialing up the sign a little bit. And yep, so that went on my front porch, and that you would have seen in the beginning of this video. And this is, I just wanted to do those two crafts together because they were quick and simple. But this is the reveal of my family room. Those pumpkins on the left there, they are made 3 years ago with Dollar Tree pillows. And everything in here, you see, I've probably just got it, I'm sure, on sale or thrifted it or made it. Or my two favorite stores besides the craft stores in my whole world are Home Goods and Marshall's. I'm there all the time. I love great deals. So I'm just going to let you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful autumn day. It's like 70 degrees outside and super sunny, and it's just gorgeous. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very different from the videos that I normally do, but I love interior design. I absolutely do. So this YouTube thing is just a godsend for me because it just makes me happy, and I hope it makes you happy too. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon because we are diving into Christmas. Have a blessed week. Bye.